So I've been invited by WPS, a software development company, to share my New Year resolution. Although being in my early 20s, I didn't have any plan. The offer was exciting, and of course, a nice platform to showcase myself. I mean, who doesn't want that, right? So, let's do it. Let's begin with creating my bucket list. Let me choose a template first. I like this one. This pink color is so cool. I'll rename all these fields. And now, I fill them up. Now, what do I want from 2024? I think I want some shades. And of course, my birthday. How can I forget? January, yummy January. Oh wow, cars. Nice range, I must say. I need something big, not big, bigger. Finally, this one is nice. Good big car, isn't it? Now it's party time! Snacks. Delicious meal. And here I am, enjoying chicken and beer with my friend. Okay, enough of dreaming. Let's get back to resolution. So, here's my to-do list, and I believe it's ready to go to WPS scene. Oh, I almost forgot. Do you know WPS is inviting you all to share your New Year resolutions as well? And WPS will sponsor up to $50 for the resolution of one lucky participant. Not only this, it will also pick 5 lucky participants and offer a 30-day pro subscription of WPS Office absolutely free. So, I'm sending my video to WPS. And what are you waiting for? Participate now.